Alright guys, here with the C8Z, and we are officially adding the very first mod to the car. So as you can see from the thumbnail, what I'm talking about are jack pucks, and that is this right here. So this is also the first thing I did to the C8 Stingrays that I had. I think it's the very first thing every C8 owner should do to their car, and really it's just for cheap insurance. The reason I say cheap insurance is if you haven't seen already, a bunch of C8s have fallen off of shop lifts, kind of like this C8 Z06 right here. And the reason for that is techs or shops are putting the lift arms in the wrong spots, and the balance of the car is making it teeter off of the lift. So what these do just shows the shop exactly where you want the lift points to be. Also helps when you're working on your own car, just a jack point you can use without having to place the jack directly on the frame. Here's a closer look at the jack pads I got, obviously in red, wanted to match my calipers. I think these also come in blue and black as well. The kit comes with everything you need, so it comes with screws, mounting tabs, all of it comes in this box here for about 40 bucks. So I will put the link in my description for anybody interested in these. The only other thing I'd recommend that does not come with the kit is some blue Loctite. So I got this separately just at Home Depot or wherever you want to go. I'd recommend putting a drop on each of the threads just to make sure, because these are on the car on the underside. You know, the car's going over bumps all day. This just makes sure none of them can come loose. And again, just some cheap insurance. By the way, these pucks work for both the C8 Stingray and the C8 Z06. So these are working for all C8s, and I believe they also work for C7s and prior gens as well. So on the front of the car, I'll show you guys here from the owner's manual. The lift point is right behind two bolts. So it's behind your front wheel, and I'll show you on the underside. But this is what the slot looks like. It's like an oval shape. So that's what you'll be placing the kind of mounting tab that I just showed you into that hole. So here's what the puck looks like. Here's that mounting tab that I'm saying goes into that oval slot. And then what you do is you just turn the puck, and when you tighten it down, it clamps onto the car. So for reference, here's the front wheel or tire. You go under the car, see these two bolts next to each other, and right next to them is the oval slot here that the puck goes into. For the rear, very similar. There's an oval shaped hole. I'll show you here a picture from the owner's manual. But it's next to three bolts that form like a triangle. So you can see it pictured here, but I will show you on the underside what it looks like. For the rear, same concept. You can see the rear tire here. And here's that triangle of bolts I was talking about. And there is the slot right here. That's really it, guys. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to put all four corners on. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. Always happy to help out. If you just enjoyed the video or it helped you at all, like, comment, subscribe, any of that, always appreciated. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time.